Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. In this class, we are going to learn and know about industrial relations. Okay, let us start the class. What is the full form of PREM? PREM. Participation of railway employee in management. When PREM has been established for participation of railway employees in management in year 1994. What is the main motive of meeting of PREM? For evaluation, modification of railway working by participation of railway employees. What is the earlier name of PREM? Corporate Enterprises Group. PREM at how many levels PREM meeting conducted? Question I repeat. At how many levels PREM meeting conducted? Answer is your at 3 levels: Railway Board, Zonal and Divisional. Who is the president of PREM meeting at Railway Board level? Chairman, Railway Board. Who is the secretary of PREM meeting at Railway Board level? Secretary, Railway Board. Who is the president of PREM meeting at zonal level? General Manager. Who is the secretary of PREM meeting at zonal level? Assistant General Manager. Who is the president of PREM meeting at divisional level? Divisional Railway Manager, DRM. Who is the secretary of PREM meeting at divisional level? Senior Divisional Personnel Officer, Senior DPO. What does the abbreviation PREM stand for? Participation of railway employees in management. How many times in a year the PREM meeting conducted at both zonal and divisional levels? Once in a quarter. Okay. How many members participate from Officers Association and Employees Union in PREM meeting at Railway Boards level? 4 from every federation and 4 from Officers Association, 2 plus 2. How many times PREM meeting organized in a year? Once in 3 months and 4 times in a year. How many members participates in PREM meeting? 4 members of each union. When PNM formed on 1st January 1952 by Sri V.V. Giri. Question I repeat. When PNM formed, answer is your on 1st January 1952 by Sri V.V. Giri. What is the full form of PNM? Permanent Negotiating Machinery. What is the full form of PNM? Permanent Negotiating Machinery. How many times PNM meeting organized in a year in divisional level? 6 times. Once in 2 months. Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at divisional level? Senior Divisional Personnel Officer or Divisional Personnel Officer. Okay. Who is the president of PNM meeting at zonal level? General Manager. Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at zonal level? Principal Chief Personnel Officer, PCPO. How many members participates in PNM meeting at zonal divisional level? Answer is your 25 members of each union. What is the maximum number of items to be discussed in PNM? 30 items may be accessed with the permission of PNM President. What is the motive of meeting of PNM? To maintain cordial relations and coordinate between administration and employees. At how many levels PNM meeting conducted? At 3 levels: Railway Board, Zonal and Divisional or workshop level. Okay. What are the privilege to be offered through the office bearers of the PNM, passes, rest house, special casual leave and circular etc. Who is the president of PNM meeting at railway board level? Member staff. Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at railway board level? Deputy director establishment. Okay. Who is the president of PNM meeting at zonal level? General manager. Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at zonal level? Principal chief personnel officer, PCPO-IR. Okay. Who is the president of PNM meeting at divisional level? Divisional railway manager, DRM. Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at railway board level? Who is the secretary of PNM meeting at divisional level? Senior divisional personnel officer. Typing is mistake. How many times PNM meeting organized in a year in board level? 2 times, once in 6 months. If there is no compromise in PNM in boards level, then how it is settled? Ad hoc tribunal. Question I repeat. If there is no compromise in PNM in boards level, then how it is settled? Ad hoc tribunal. How many persons participate from employee side? 25. If there is no place in restroom for office wearers for PNM, then what rate retiree room may be available free of cost? How many days special casual leave may be given for participation in PNM? 3 days. How many persons participate in ad hoc tribunal? Participation of equal members of employees and administration. Is decision of ad hoc tribunal compulsory for imposition? No. Railway board may accept or reject it. If decision of ad hoc tribunal declined by railway board, then after what duration this matter can be raised in PNM? After 1 year. Which unions are recognized at railway board level? Answer is your All India Railway Men's Federation, National Federation of Indian Railways Men's. By which labor organization AIRF is related? Hind Mazdoor Sabha. Question I repeat. By which labor organization AIRF is related? Hind Mazdoor Sabha. By which labor organization NFIR is related? Indian National Trade Union Congress. When Joint Consultative Machinery JCM was formed? By Cabinet Minister Sri Guljari Lal Nanda on 28th October 1966. At how many levels JCM, Joint Consultative Machinery meeting conducted? At 3 levels. First, Departmental Council. Second, National Council. Third one is your State Council. When Board of Arbitration should be reformed? When there is a dispute between National and Departmental Council and Government. On which issue Departmental Council cannot argue? Those issues which are common in other department ministry. Question I repeat. On which issue Departmental Council cannot argue? Those issues which are common in other department ministry. How many members participate from government and employees JCM? 24 members from government and 60 members from recognized Federation of Employees. Out of which 24 from both Union of Railways. Who is the president of JCM? Member staff. How many times JCM meeting organized in a year? 2 times every 6 months. How many members represent from government and employee in Departmental Council? Administration 10, unions total 30 members from both federation, 11 members from NFIR and 19 members from AIRF. Who is the president of JCM? National Council. Cabinet Secretary of Indian Government. How many representatives from government and others in National Council? 24. Government Other ministries 24. Question I repeat. How many representatives from government and others in National Council? 24. Government and other ministries 24. When there is a dispute between National Departmental Council and government, then the matter is referred to Board of Arbitration. The validity of Board of Arbitration is 3 years. Okay. How many members exist in boards of arbitration? 1 from each side. Presidency by impartial person, which will be nominated by Labour Minister. Is decision of Board of Arbitration are binding on both sides? True. Can the decision of Board of Arbitration change on dispute of National Council? Yes, by Parliament. Before how many days agenda of JCM should be given? 1 month before. What is the recognized labor union and by which act it should be registered? A recognized labor union is that which is recognized by government and it should be registered under Trade Union Act 1926. Name of the 2 associations of gazetted officer in Indian Railways. First one is All India Railway Promotee Officers Association. Second one is your All India Railway Officers Association. Is reply and action is compulsory for the complaint of non-recognized union? No, but if there is any complaint, then administration should notice. Is All India SC/ST Employees Association is recognized? True. Is All India SC/ST Employees Association entitled for a special CL and a special passes during for a special duty? True. Is minutes to be issued for conversation with All India SC/ST Employees Association? False. Is consent of divisional secretary is compulsory for transfer of office bearers of a recognized union? True. If there is dispute on transfer of office bearers of a recognized union between administration and divisional secretary, then what will be the process? Matter will be forwarded to GM and his decision will be final. How many check pass and card pass to be issued to office bearers of a union in a year? 6 check pass, 1 card pass for 4 office bearers. How many persons can be traveled together by card pass, which is issued for 4 office bearers of a union? 1 office bearer. What is the rate of fare for railway telephone which are available in houses of presidents and secretaries of recognized labor unions? Free of cost. In how many period election of recognized unions should be held? Once in 2 years. Is retired or outsider person may be the office bearers? Yes, if there is any arrangements in constitution of union. What is the term and condition for recognition of unions? Should be registered in Trade Union Act 1926. Is branch of union may be opened where staff is below 500 employees in a unit? No, only workers committee may be formed. How many office bearers may be accepted where union members are less than 1000 in an unit? 10. How many office bearers may be accepted where union members are more than 1000 in an unit? 12. Is a special CL may be granted to the employees who are participating in working committee meeting of cooperative institute? True. Is non-railway employees may be member of club and institute? Yes, but they cannot be participate in election and activities of the club and institute. What is the rent to be deposited to railway for the building which is being used as officers club free of cost? How many special casual leave may be granted for Indian Scout Guide activities? 30 plus 15 days. How many days travel or daily allowances granted for Indian Scout Guide activities? 15 days. How many types cooperative cooperative societies are in railways? 2, 3. Question I repeat. How many types cooperative societies are in railways? 3. First one, consumer cooperative society. Second one, loan cooperative societies or bank. Third one, cooperative housing societies. Is a special pass is applicable for participation in the meeting of management committee of cooperative society? True. Is pass and PTO are applicable for employees of cooperative society? True. Dash is the chairman of PNM at railway board level. Who is the chairman of PNM at railway board level? Member staff. PNM has come into effect from 1952. Secretary of PNM on zonal level is Principal Chief Personnel Officer. Chairman of PNM at zonal level is General Manager GM. Chairman Railway Board is the chairman of PREM on railway board level. True. PNM meeting is held every 3 months on divisional level. False. More than 30 times are discussed in PNM meeting. False. Who is the secretary of PNM at a railway board level? Deputy Director Establishment. Who is the chairman of JCM at national level? Cabinet Secretary of Indian Government. What type of leave is granted to recognized union office bearers for attending various meeting? A special casual leave. How many days in advance agenda of PNM meeting should be given by union? 15 days. CRMS. Full form of CRMS. Central Railway Mazdoor Sangh. What is the full form of CRMS? Central Railway Mazdoor Sangh. Full form of NRMU, National Railway Mazdoor Union. Full form of AIOBCREA. Answer is your All India Other Backward Class Railway Employees Association. Full form of AISCSTREA, All India Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Railway Employees Association. How many retired employees can be office bearers of recognized union at divisional level? 2. How many special casual leave can be granted for a branch on divisional level to conduct BEC meeting in a calendar year? 6. Full form of BECM, Branch Executive Committee meeting. How many information meeting can be held with AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA in a year? 2. How many days of a special casual leave is granted for the representatives of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA to attend the informal meeting? 2. Answer is your 2 days. Can staying facility be granted to the representatives of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA whenever called for official meeting? True. How many members of AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA may be issued with identity cards or gate passes? 4 to 5 members. Can the representatives of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA be included in Housing Allotment Committee, Colony Care Committee? True. Can the representatives of AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA be included in PREM? True. How many members of AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA may be included in a Staff Benefits Fund Committee? 1 each. Can CUG facility be provided to member of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA? True. For transferring the office bearers of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA, who should be concerned? Liaison officer. With whom the informal meeting of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA can be held on issue relating to engineering staff within his jurisdiction. ADEN, 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 ADEN. Number of special journeys passes for information meeting of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA at divisional level, 20 participants. Number of special journey passes for information meeting of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA at railway board level, 24 participants. Can President, Working President and General Secretary of AIOBCREA or AISCSTREA travel in Rajdhani and Shatabdi trains? Yes. Can President, Working President and General Secretary of AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA travel in Rajdhani and Shatabdi trains with companion attendant? False. What are the basic facilities that can be provided in the office accommodation provided to AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA? Table, 3-4 chairs, electricity, fan and telephone. Can a suitable place be provided for notice board of AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA? True. Who can participate in PREM meeting? Answer is your representatives of CRMS, NRMU, AIOBCREA, AISCSTREA, RPF Association and CRPOA. Full form of CRPOA, Central Railway Promotee Officers Association. Okay friends, here some VBI questions relating our exam purpose we will discuss. Okay, this is very essential and necessary for our coming exams. I hope you will learn and understood in a better way. Okay, remind it. Thank you. Okay, thank you.